It's a battery! It's a boy! Ooh. Hello. Let me get my jump box. Oh, you can.
It's definitely stalling.
Oh, it's stalling? Oh, well, once you turn it on, it's like, once it's on, and if the battery's even remotely good, it should stay on.
It does. It's been delaying and starting.
Oh, okay.
Lately, and I've tried to call numerous places, and because of where the battery's located, no one will change it for me.
And where's it? In the back?
On the passenger seat.
Oh, on the passenger seat. Okay. And I was gonna say, do it got start and stop? Start and stop
Yes.
car? Okay. Well, let me test it out.
Okay.
And I can scan the VIN number, make sure I have the battery. I just want to make sure you believe a battery will actually solve it. Because it sounds like usually when a car comes on, but I know with this car it has a lot of electronics.
Yes.
And I'm not sure. It was one of the years. I think it's a much newer. What's this, a 2016 or 17? Because I know like the 2019s or the 2020s, they had, I'm not sure, like a electrical, where it always like drains the battery, like an electrical issue.
Our start stop hardly goes.
Oh, yeah, sometimes it could. Like, did you like purchase the second hand on? Okay, because I was going to say maybe it's not the right battery in there. Because if it's not the right battery, then the start and stop option won't work. Or if
joke, because the car came from LA, and whenever we're in LA, it works.
Oh, that's weird. Say they knows the traffic. All right, let me test it right here. It's a positive connection here.
I didn't know that.
Oh yeah, positive there. Just a negative right here.
Oh.
Yeah, they give you little ports so it actually connects to the battery.
We were looking it up. I was like, maybe I can just change it myself. It shouldn't be that bad.
Oh no.
And when I found out it was under the seat, I was like, oh, maybe.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so I'm surprised it still starts. So it still starts, you said?
This morning gave me a lot of problems, and at that point we were like, we're going to get stranded somewhere, we should.
Yeah, because we got 12 volts, but it's only 174 cold cranking amps, and with this car, I think it's rated around 850 or 900, so yeah, let me scan the test. If you can try to start it and let it run right quick, that way I can make sure there's no other issues, like with your alternator or starter. Let's see, 175. As you open the door, it went down. Yeah, it probably won't start. Let me just hook up my jump box right quick. All right, try to start it. All right, you can turn it off. Get the VIN number out the door frame there. Oh yeah, it's right here.
Oh. I was going to say, I know I saw it when I pulled up the battery.
They usually have it in like 20 different places. Yep, and just the battery. Yeah, so charging system, alternator starter is good. Battery is low. Yeah, so let me see if I have it, and I can go ahead and install it. So I got the battery. And so far as the install, it's going to be a tough one.
Do you want me to pull the car forward? Because I know the driveway.
Let me see. Because it said it's under the passenger. Oh, yeah, so you would have to. Oh, yeah, I can do it. I was about to say you have to scoot the seat all the way up.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I did it, but I have done this twice in my life. On this particular vehicle.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But the, like all the Mercedes, like SUVs, it's in the same
Really?
same spot too.
This is our first car where we've had a battery.
Oh, yeah, it's the first. This is nothing compared to the cars that you have to jack up and take off the tire, and you gotta go through like the wheel well.
It's so complicated.
Yeah, then you have to go through like this wall. You have to take everything down. And you have to like pull the battery out from right here. So I'd rather do this than that. So for the battery, it's $249.99, and the labor $100 plus tax, which is $26.69, comes to $376.68.
We'll make it work.
All right, no problem. Let me get my tools. Hopefully, it shouldn't take me no more than 20 minutes.
Well, 20 minutes came more of a delay due to the fact that I knew I didn't have the right tool, and I was just trying to do everything to do the job without the right tool. But when you don't have the right tools, you can't do your job efficiently. So here I am trying to make things work, and I know it's not going to work, so I'm now on my way to the hardware store. Always stay ready so you don't have to get ready.
Looks like I'm gonna have to run down the mission to get a part right quick.
Okay.
Hello again and then again. I just need a 10 millimeter deep socket.
What, right?
1/4 inch or
Quarter inch.
a 3/4, whatever is the cheapest, you know. Need something fast for the job. Have a Jeep Cherokee.
$6.
All right.
Is it that quarter inch, right? It's your
Oh yeah. I just seen that groove right there. I wasn't sure, but yeah.
$6.
Should give me two. Let me see.
$79.
Ooh, but it's 3,000. It's worth it. That's bright.
All right. Thank you.
All right. On for some action. Now, does this come up? Yes, it does. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Let's connect it to this. Need that. There we go. You gotta lift that battery. Shut your mouth. Lift that battery. It's like giving birth. Giving birth. Push. Wah. Wah. It's a battery. It's a boy. It's a big boy. It's a big boy battery. It's a big boy battery. Ah. Voila. Huge. Wait, hold on. We got music in here? Yeah, music. Ooh. I make it sound like love. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Dun, dun, dun. I see some hot Cheetos. Some hot Cheetos. I see some hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos. Oh. Ain't no other like all brother. Who are you gonna call? Oh, brother. Got the feeling that it's about time to turn this car on. Oh, there we go. There we go. You ready to start it? Oh, no, you can start it. I just want to, before I put the cover and everything back.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.